Hello everyone. So I am currently in my hotel room in Medellín, Colombia. This is the Hotel Dorado Last 70, and so I thought I'd just give you a quick room tour. I thought it'd be easier to start in the room than from the hallway. So room's small, but it's well worth the wait for what I'm about to show you. So this is the room. I don't know what floor I'm on. I'm like the 14th or 15th floor or something. And this is the room. So obviously there's the bed, the phone, information there should you need it, plug, light. There's my luggage, and this here is just information about breakfast and stuff. Breakfast is an American style and will be from 6 to 9 a.m. When I checked in here, I was given a free voucher for a free drink, and so I got a free welcome drink, and I also get 20,000 Colombian pesos gift to try at the casino, which I'm not very fond of casinos, but we'll see how that is spent. So this is the room. There's the evacuation plan. There's safe deposit boxes available. This is a non-smoking room. So obviously there's a table, a little couch. This is you got a TV as well, speaker system. Here's our little mini bar. This is the prices for some of the drinks and food that's in here, and it's all it's in English apparently, or somewhat of an English. And then so they just check it every morning, or you let the reception know, and they just bill you at the end, I guess. Right, a little stereo system, the TV, the air conditioning unit, and a fan too. Got some storage areas. Oh, even a laundry bag, which I will be doing laundry at some point during my stay here because I need it. A few coat hangers. Just a little portable table here if I want to put my suitcase on that if I want. There's another little drawer. Very nice. All right, we'll head into the bathroom. So here is the bathroom, if I can find. There's the light. There you can see me. Hello. Soaps, sink, hand towel, hair dryer, and then we go into there's obviously the toilet, the shower, nice and clean, tile, looks very good. Towels if you need them, and that's the hotel. So there's that. Another thing I want to show you is I have a balcony. Now this is the blackout curtain. You can either extend these if you want. These actually come out, or you can activate this. And this is what I'm about to show you. So here's the little device to open it up. Now it is kind of dark out. It's almost 6 o'clock, so it's getting dark out, but check out this, is my view. There's the balcony, and here is my view. Look at that. Isn't that spectacular? Can't wait to check this place out. I'm here for 9 days, so expect some more videos and adventures along the way. Thanks for watching. Look out for the next video.